Hazrat Hasan Basri radiyallahu anhu says, there is no harm in the clothes stitched by a fire worshipper. Zoroastrian. Memar says that he saw Zuhri wearing the garment of Yemen which was dyed in urine, and Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu performed prayer in unwashed new clothes. Hazrat Mughira bin Shoba radiyallahu anhu reports that he was with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam during a journey. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Mughira, pass me a vessel full of water." I handed that over to him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam took it and went away till he went out of my sight. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam relieved himself, and at that time he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was wearing a Syrian robe. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam tried to draw his hands out of its sleeves, but they were tight. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam drew his hands out from under it. I poured water, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed ablution for prayer and passed wet hands on his leather socks, then performed prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 363.